In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Luminous battery warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to the official site for Luminous. So that's luminousindia.com. Now, once we're here, we want to scroll down and get to the website's footer. And now, once we're on the footer, we need to go ahead and look for Luminous Care. And then below that, we got register a product. So we want to go ahead and click onto that. And then we're going to come into the warranty registration part of the website. So from here, we want to go ahead and fill out this paperless warranty. So Luminous provides its customer a convenient way to digitally claim warranty on purchased products. Once registered digitally, you don't need to show invoice, copy, or warranty card whenever service engineer visits to your house. So by registering your product, you can also create an account where you can manage your registered products, get helpful info, and much more. So basically, you want to put in your name here, your email ID, then also your 10-digit mobile number, your address, enter a PIN code, enter your city, and then also your state, your category, and then you enter your 14-digit serial number. Also, you need to take a photo of your proof of purchase. So just go ahead and take a photo and upload it. Then go ahead and click on choose image, and then their supported file types of proof of purchase are JPEG, PNG, and the files cannot be any more than 1 megabyte in size. Then from here, go ahead and click on submit. Then after that, you have successfully registered your Luminous battery.